Hey everybody, me and Javier are working on his truck today. 93 Ford F150 with a 9-inch lift. Got a custom lift kit on it and the steering bracket keeps breaking. The company's gonna send him a new one, but we're gonna patch it up so he can get through the week until his new one comes in. So you can see that steering bracket's cracked. So we're gonna clean it up and re-weld it. Yeah. Alright, as you can see, this thing's been broke a few times, and there's somebody else has welded it up and it just broke on the other side of his weld. Looks like a pretty good weld. He got it on both sides. But I'm going to add another piece on here to make it stronger and then weld it back together. We got to clean it up first with the grinder.
Recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Oh, hey. What's up,
Hey.
YouTube?
Hey girl. Hey girl, hey. Fire no.
Mint?
Yeah, I should make a good
Do enough.
weld all the way around that.
Yeah.
Alright, so far I just cleaned up the metal so we can weld this back together. But I'm just going to tack weld it. Then I'm going to put this on across the top of it and weld all the way around that piece to make this stronger. And then we'll weld up the back of it too. See if that'll hold it until new parts come in the mail. I'm going to be using the Lincoln Power MIG 210 again today. Just going to be using the 110 outlet. You can't reach the 220. Two little tacks to hold it. We're going to weld this piece over the top.
Welding.
Welding. Melting metal with metal and electricity. It's crazy. It is freaking crazy. Alright, so my little plates tack welded in, and I'm going to weld it all the way around. It's not pretty, but it'll
hold.
It's welded.
Until Thursday.
Till Thursday. Let's come on to this side. That's a lot of weld. Holy cow.
Maybe my steering will actually be straight. No, it won't.
Look how thick that shit is. That's crazy. Last one on this plate anyway. There you go, a bunch of beginner welds. Hopefully it'll hold him till Thursday.
don't think that's
I'm gonna get this side too, though. Yeah, if that thing breaks, you've done something. Say, brother, you good with it?
Yeah, it should hold. At least till Thursday.
All right, that's the back side. And there's our new
That's the
idea. That's our new idea to hold this thing and hopefully be strong.
Till Thursday,
Yeah, till Thursday. So
which is 2 days.
2 days.
But with the ghost in that truck, there's
Yeah.
no telling.
Yeah, this truck right here has some ghosts in it. All right, so we threw a little paint on there for rust prevention. I'm going back on with it. Trouble on the back end? Yeah. Did you hit your head?
Man down.
Did you hit that freaking hook?
Oh, fuck, that hurt.
No bueno.
Wow.
No,
Right
yeah.
in the temple.
It's so bad because it's so sturdy that it didn't make a boom and it didn't move, you know?
My head just absorbed it all.
Yeah. There it is. Nut it. There's the finished product. Looks terrible, but
It'll hold.
as long as it holds, we're good. There's our little project for the evening. Hope it holds and works out for him. Let me know what you guys think. If you think, you know, if we did a good job for a patch job, or, you know, if our skills need some tailoring. For the guys wondering about the truck, it's a 93 F150, obviously four-wheel drive with a 351 and daily driver.